Motorists going to Caloocan from España and vice versa can expect a shorter travel time once the first 5 kilometers of the NLEX Connector opens on March 27th. Karen Villanda has this report.
Waiting for passage of truck man hours at 10 p.m. and traffic on the road. This is Louis' almost daily struggle in driving a truck from north to Laguna.
Traffic po, Marcelino. Oras-oras po, mahaba traffic dyan eh.
But such struggles will soon be over because on March 27, the first 5 kilometers of the NLEX Connector will be opened from Caloocan to España. We tried to travel on the new expressway and started at Caloocan Interchange along C3 at 1:42 p.m. Running 60 kilometers per hour, we reach Manila in just 5 minutes at 1:47. Motorists will exit at Antipolo Street through the España ramp of the NLEX Connector. So those coming from the north who want to go to the University Belt will also have an easy access. Trucks can also pass 24/7. The connector has 4 lanes and it can serve up to 35,000 motorists per day. It is expected to ease traffic on España Boulevard, Abad Santos Avenue, Rizal Avenue, and Lacson Avenue trackway.
Alam mo, pagka natapos ito, it will ease up the truck traffic dito sa may R10 port area. Kasi karamihan yung mga pumupunta dito, papunta rin ng south. And ganun din, vice versa. So it will ease up the traffic dito sa may western corridor ng Metro Manila because of the truck traffic.
So far, nothing has been said how much the toll will be on the NLEX Connector. But good news because it is supposed to be free for 1 month.
This will have to be deliberated on with the Toll Regulatory Board, no, and the concessionaire. Normally naman, meron yung period na free toll muna ng konti.
Possible 1 month?
Possible, it's possible.
Karen Villanda for The Nation.